Hi, today's lesson is about object pronouns. It's my mother's birthday next month. I want to get a gift for her. These slippers look comfortable. I really like them. Maybe I'll buy them for her. These words are object pronouns. They take the place of nouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. I really like the slippers. I really like them. Do you want to buy that TV? Do you want to buy it? I didn't see my friend Tara today. I didn't see her today. Object pronouns can come after verbs. In this position, we call them direct objects. For example, I really like them. Do you want to buy it? I didn't see her today. Them, it, and her are direct objects. Object pronouns can also come after prepositions like for, to, in, about, and of. For example, I want to buy a gift for him. I gave the slippers to her. I have to think about it. For him, to her, and about it are prepositional phrases. In a sentence with a direct object and a prepositional phrase, the direct object comes first. This is true when the object is a noun or pronoun. I bought some slippers for my mother. Not. I bought them for her. Not.